So welcome guys to another video and let's say another prediction. Basically मैं लेके आया हूँ आपके लिए एक summary of the analysis जो मैंने किया है पिछले कुछ games का, and उसके हिसाब से I will be giving you some predictions and some statistics on how actually to place some bets in your favor. So before I start the video, again please like, share and subscribe, and go check out the Telegram channel where there will be much more information that you can find regarding the same, and for all those who are new and first comers there will be a VIP bet that you can find right on there. So let's get started. आज का मैच जिसके बारे में हम बात करने वाले हैं इज अ गेम बिटवीन रॉयल चैलेंजर्स बैंगलोर एंड राजस्थान रॉयल्स. उनका एक मैच ऑलरेडी हो चुका है 13th of April को जो हुआ था, जिसमें आरसीबी केम आउट ऑन टॉप. सो ऑब्वियसली देयर गोना हैव द एडवांटेज एंड द मोमेंटम गोइंग टू द नेक्स्ट गेम दैट इज गोना हैपन इन April 24th. But RCB have been on just a rampage. Such high scoring games, such high scoring innings, so to speak. Going to the game, especially in the Chinnaswamy Stadium, again, that pitch is ruthless for bowlers. It is going to be very difficult because it's not that bouncy, and it makes the perfect conditions for batters to show where they're good at. Especially for RCB, such an aggressive and hard hitting team. Easily, I think they're going to cross the 180 mark. Easily. But they're against RR and they're a very unpredictable team. So let's delve deeper into what exactly are the analysis for the upcoming game, and uske hisab se we can decide what to bet on and what exactly to go forward with. RCB have been in a great form and they have crushed Chennai Super Kings and, like I said, and RR itself, beating Mumbai Indians also with like in a 430 run shootout, which was great. On the batting side of things, Virat Kohli has been in a great form, scoring 67 run against Mumbai, a 62 not out against Rajasthan, plus their captain Rajat Patidar is also holding his own with like a 64 run performance against MI, and the newcomer, the international player that they have, Phil Salt, is also right in smashing 65 runs against RR, which was on the April 13th if you didn't watch that game. But the bowling side is not that bad at all, because Mohammad Siraj with a great bowling, 3 outs for just 19 runs against Gujarat Titans. That is a great economy coming out of that bowler. Plus RCB also took a well balanced playing at home against the MI in the Chinnaswamy Stadium, where fan support is like having a 12th man on the field. Moving on to RR, like I said before, RR is quite an unpredictable team. Unfortunately though, उनका सीजन चालू हुआ था 2 losses के साथ, तो going into the 3rd, 4th game especially, the momentum was not exactly that high, but the guys wanted to obviously get back up and get the runs going. 2 losses unfortunately came to Sunrisers Hyderabad, which is also a great, very aggressive team, and Kolkata Knight Riders in Guwahati by about 8 wickets. So it was some devastating losses, unfortunately, I have to say, for RR. They did bounce back with 2 straight wins in such an intense and nail-biting game with like just a 6-run victory over CSK, followed by a dominating game where they run with like 50 runs win over Punjab in New Chandigarh. Great, super intense games. So they have, again, not looking at the losses at the beginning, they have like started bringing back up and having that pitch up, backing their games. They're currently averaging about like somewhere 174 runs per match, and they concede about 175. Like I said, a very 50-50 team. They need to seriously improve to win against RCB, because again, RCB has been in great form. But their batting leader right now for the Rajasthan Royals is Nitish Rana, and he's been brilliant, scoring 81 runs against Chennai and played a big part securing their first win, which was really important, because had they not won that, IPL would have been just a downfall for all of them. And on the bowling front, I would say that Jofra Archer, great bowler by the way, has been a major boost. He's taken 3 wickets on the match against Punjab, and spin duo, which is Chahal and Ravichandran Ashwin, they also continue to be reliable in the middle overs, which is very crucial, especially on super aggressive pitch. But on a head-to-head victory, if we say RCB currently lead to RR with a 3-2 advantage going into this game, we have to take that into account as well. Giving you like a brief history in दोनों teams के बीच में 2023 के सीजन में, जैसा कि आपको याद होगा या नहीं होगा, तो मैं याद दिलाने के लिए तो यहाँ पे बैठा हूँ, RCB ने 2 बार राजस्थान रॉयल्स को हराया था, एंड 2024 सीजन में अनफॉर्चुनेटली एक एलिमिनेशन गेम में राजस्थान रॉयल्स ने RCB को नॉकआउट कर दिया था इन द प्लेऑफ्स. बट अगेन 2025 में ऑन द मैच 13th April को जो हुआ था, RCB हैड अ रिसाउंडिंग 9 विकेट विक्ट्री अगेंस्ट RR. तो मैं डेफिनेटली बोल सकता हूँ, गोइंग इनटू दिस गेम, RCB currently have the momentum, because looking at the history, looking at the current games and the form that RCB is playing, especially the stadium that is going to come up, a super high scoring stadium. I'm not going to say exactly it has been the most lucky stadium for RCB per se, seeing as how unpredictable RR also are. So I'm gonna say, regardless of what is going on, I have a higher, like, my bets placed on RCB. But then again, the analysis out of the way, the statistics out of the way, just let's get straight to business, which is us talking about, well, the betting tactics and the predictions. तो जैसा कि मैंने आपको बोला, ये match is definitely going to be a super high scoring match, full of action, super intense game, and there are quite a few suggestions. I'm gonna say that RCB will win, and that is very highly probable that RCB is gonna win, regardless of RR having their own or maybe holding their own. I'm gonna say RCB take the win. Seeing that the pitch is also a high scoring pitch, I'm going to say RCB is going to score around 180, 190. They might break the 190 mark. 180 is a safe bet, I'm going to say. And RR might lose out to, say, let's say 170, 175 runs. Maybe because the bowling lineup for RCB looks quite good at the moment. But yeah, Bangalore being in form, playing at home, this is having just recently decimated Royals. I think going into this game, this is a good prediction. So I'm like saying 180 for them, 170 for them. A good total. Like, I can easily say it will cross the 300 mark, maybe even the 340 mark. RCB taking the win. I hope you enjoyed the analysis. I hope you are able to use the predictions in a more, well, profitable manner for yourself, so to speak. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to comment anything that you have, any like information that you might like to share. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe, and go follow the Telegram channel. Like I said again, hope to guys see you soon. Good luck.